Torque tools are used whenever you put a nut on a bolt, and it must be tightened to a specific tightness or torque. A torque tool should always be used to tighten nuts and bolts. Torque tools are used in general, mechanics, tires, changes, and industrial maintenance.
The term torque tools are an extremely broad term. Tools that fall into this category all have the same purpose. These tools are all meant to twist or turn a screw to bond the two pieces together. These tools can be manual, motorized, or mechanical. Examples of torque tools are screwdrivers, click, torque wrench, and electrical drill. The list goes on and on.
So we're going to go over the history of the torque tool. So the general meaning of the word torque means to twist or turn. This term is used from engineers to inform them what the next step will be. So this next step, if you want to tighten something, you're going to have to torque it with one of these tools. And the word torque comes from the ancient Romans. It describes from Latin necklaces as twist and spiral shaped screws used to the word torque, which also means twisting or turning.
There are many advantages when using a torque tool. These tools help turning and twisting moments happen much faster. They help the mechanic complete this task much faster without him having to turn the screw or bolt by using his fingers. These tools give him a greater range of motion, which means more rotations per turn. Another pro is that the tool will save time. Greater range of motion per rotation means faster screwing until the screw reaches its tightest position.
There are many disadvantages when using a torque tool. One disadvantage is that these tools are not accurate. You can screw a screw into a piece of wood, but without the help of a human eye, the screw can be screwed in at a diagonal and completely off track.
Alright, so we have two examples here of some torque tools. We have a wrench and then we have a torque screwdriver. So these would be used when you want to tighten a nut or bolt or etc. So, right here, we're going to use the torque screwdriver. Let's say you want to tighten this, but you can't do it by hand because it's going to hurt over time, and engineers, they want to get it done quickly. So, just place it in there, twist it until it reaches its full potential. And the same thing goes for a wrench. If you want to put a nut in there, twist until it's tight. So it saves much time and saves more energy on the hand.